Today we're going to do a mixing challenge. So you'll need a blank piece of paper. I'm using the 12 by 18 just to give myself plenty of room. At the top you're going to write mixing challenge. And these are your challenge requirements. You're going to mix and paint the 3 secondary colors. Mix and paint the 6 tertiary colors. And you're going to create 3 value scales, one with tints, one with shades, and one with tones. For the value scales, just you can pick any one color to do this, and then make sure you put your name and your class code. All right, I'm gonna run through a couple quick examples for you. So on your tray, you will have the 3 primaries and black and white. So this is all that you need, okay? So for the secondary colors, when I mix these 2 together, I'm going to get a violet, and I could paint that on my chart. Okay, and you can tweak it until you're satisfied with what color purple or violet you get out. That's probably the hardest one. I'm going to jump down quick here to do tertiary. For tertiary, you'll need that violet or purple twice because you'll need a red violet and a blue violet. So you can make one of those by adding more red to your brush to get your red violet. I know it's hard to see on the screen. They probably all look the same. And to get more blue, I'm just going to quick grab some blue and make my blue violet. You will need to label all of these when you're finished. Okay, so that's how I would recommend doing it. Mix your 1 secondary color and then use that to create the 2 tertiaries that match it. Okay, all right, I'm going to jump down to the value scales and I'm washing my brush off really good. All right, for the tints, what you could do is section off some of your white and just kind of move it over here a little bit, okay? That way I still have some clean white. And what you could do is just start with any one hue. So maybe I'll start with blue. Mix up your lightest tint right now. And when you're mixing, make sure that it's thoroughly mixed before you put it on your tray, okay? So that could be my lightest tint, and then what I'll do is I'll always go back, grab more of the hue, mix it in so that gets more intense each step of the way. I would do that for the shades too. If you start, let's see, shades I might do backwards. Start with the color maybe and then add small increments of black so it gets darker that way. And then the tones, remember you're mixing black and white together. I'll just stick a little black over here just to show you so that you get more of a gray blue. Okay, and the more black you add to it, the darker your gray blue is going to get. Ta-da! Okay, so good luck completing the challenge. You should have 3 here, 6 here, and for the value scales, I would say 5. 4 or 5 would be a good number to have. Okay, each person gets their own tray, and as soon as you're done completing this, you put it on the drying rack.